How you can share something on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, open the app. You can see here different options like dashboard, diary, news feed. You have to click on the news feed option. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see here share something. You have to click on the camera, you have to select take any photo and choose that photo from your gallery and add photo. In this way you have to update your status by writing here. In this way you can share your post or something on MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.